how you can make invite only on Discord app using iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the Discord app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface shown in the screen. So now you can see there is LS at the left side, which is basically a mic group. So now you can see in LS there is voice channel section and general too, so you can choose any of it. So let me tap on general as I want to change my settings. Now you can see there is a search icon at the top right corner of this on general section. So once you tap on the search icon, now finally you can see manage channel access option in the very first. So let's tap on the manage channel access option afterward. Now you can see there is settings option at the top right corner in this section. So once you tap on the settings, make sure to enable this private channel, and if you tap on yes, it will be disabled. And if you tap on if you want to enable it, then simply tap on yes again, and yeah, you will be able to make invite only on Discord using iPhone. So basically this is how, and this is the process to make invite only on Discord app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.